Okay, so this is a drill for shoulder mobility and flexibility, specifically while trying to restrict movement in your spine. So a big problem a lot of people have when they're trying to develop their shoulder flexibility is once you get up to a point where suddenly you can't reach any further with your shoulders, for your brain, it makes total sense that you want to just lean that into your spine. Now, for certain movements, especially people getting into handstands and things like that, that becomes a problem because as soon as their shoulders start to move, their spine realizes that what's happening and goes, all right, get ready, and suddenly your ribs flare out and you don't really have that much control of it. So with this exercise, we're going to start on hands and knees. You're going to take a round object. The more round this is, the more difficult it's going to be. So feel free to get something flatter and softer to begin with. And it goes as you're seeing here. So it's just a figure of 8 where you take the ball, put it on top of your back, let go, and then reach around with the other arm to pick it up again. Obviously, if you don't have that much range in your shoulders to begin with, choose a longer object, and that way it's easier to reach from the other side. And as you get better and better at this, you can make it smaller. The benefit with this is suddenly, as well as thinking about what your shoulders are doing, you have to pay a lot of attention to what's happening in your back and spine, and figure out, are you level and are you moving the whole way through this. So obviously you can try and change this around both directions, eyes open, eyes closed. Maybe try the whole thing, taking a hand and foot off the ground as well could make it a little bit harder. But that's basically it. So try it out, let us know how you get on, what you think, and we'll see you next time.